Yep, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create vocal harmony. Yeah, like this.
I am not scared of the dark.
You need a backup to do that normally, but when you don't have a backup, you can do it in FL Studio. So let's just jump in it. This is a song here. I'm going to play it from this part.
I am not scared of the dark. Bold enough, not scared of the dark.
No delay on this, no reverb. It's just dry. So I have another copy of that same song here. So I'm going to double click this and take it to new tune. Okay, let me just cut the part I need. That would be better. So I'll leave this song in the description of this video. The link to the song, you can check it out to the end here. You know, I just want to show you how to do this, and I'll make this unique. The whole thing just cover my screen there, so I don't collect the whole thing. I didn't need to cut this one. This first one I'm not taking it anywhere, so I need to cut it. Not necessary. All right, for this one I'll double click this, take this up so that we can see it. Right click, edit in pitch corrector, the new tune. Yeah, that's new tune. By the way, I have this video on how I did this in FL Studio 12. I'll leave that in the video card so that you can check it out. I'm using FL Studio 21 here. So I want to create vocal harmony out of this. I'm going to Control A. Yeah, just Control A there, select all, and I'm going to move all of them up 4 steps. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's simple. Sometimes this might not be perfect all the way through, but you get it. You can come here, and if there's anyone that's not perfect, you can arrange it, send it to the piano roll, click on this here. I'll mute this one now. Let's hear it.
I am not.
Oh, one note there, it did not line up. Okay, it's here in the master. Okay, one thing I want FL Studio to do for me is to make this thing that as I'm editing here is automatically happening here. It will be a lot easier and simpler and nice. In fact, that's why some of my friends are not recording with this image line. They use other software to record just because of this thing. It would be nice for image line to make it in a way that as this editing is going on here, it's affecting the wave. Okay, sometimes it needs some fine tuning, and you just do that.
I am not scared of the dark.
So after some tweaking and all those stuff, we'll arrive at this.
I am not scared of the dark.
You can hear that the voices, they are cancelling each other. That is because there's the same processing on both voice. If you're using the same take, you change something in the second chain, maybe you EQ. I normally tell the artist to do another take of the same song, like the same way, then I'll use that one to create the harmony. That's to make sure the voice does not cancel each other. That's how to do it. Basically, if you know music theory a little, or you know how your voice is supposed to sound like, you're good to go with this. Get creative with this. So like the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Let me know what you think about this video. I'm in a Pro Studio, alloneprostudio. That's it.
See me small, don't believe you're right. Don't give in. to a narrow flight.